Now we're going to stitch the mouth. Get about a 18 to 20 inch length of the pearl cotton that you used for the nose. Thread it onto your 3-inch dowel needle and insert it into the bottom corner of the nose and bring it up right through the top so that it is within the top of the nose. You don't want it to be outside, you want it to be coming up in the black part of the nose. And pull it out a little bit. You want to leave a nice long tail at the end, and then bring the needle down through the top and try to come back at the same place you went in. There we go. Pull that out, and then take both tails and decide what you want your mouth to look like. You can have it be a happy mouth or more of a V, whatever you like there. And I usually find where I want the first one to be, and then I take the needle and I bring it up to the opposite end about where the ear will be. And pull it up. Kind of tight, not too tight. And then try to estimate about the same width from the distance from the center seam on the other side, and do the same thing. Oops. Here we go. And get some of that mohair out that was stuck under there. And pull it a little tight, not too tight, just a little to secure it. And then take your needle and poke it back right where it was in to secure the pearl cotton. And do one more time through the head. Just like we did with the nose. Snip it off, pull a little bit and snip. The end will pop back in the head. Do the same for the other length of pearl cotton, and now your mouth is all done.